To show the endless possibilities of IKEA's new METOD kitchen system, we asked all Belgian children to challenge us with their imagination. We asked them to draw any kitchen they could imagine. IKEA promised to build the most crazy design. The campaign was launched using only Facebook and the IKEA mailing database. Every phase of the launch was filmed and broadcasted on social media. Noortje's pirate boat kitchen was selected to be built in the center of Brussels.
Manolito, dit is Noortje.
Dag Noortje, wat heb jij een prachtige keuken ontworpen. De tekening van Noortje is een fantastische tekening omdat er heel veel fantasie in zit en dat het toch een keuken blijft zonder de standaard verhoudingen die kinderen kennen van de keuken.
Broadcasting the selection process into small documentaries helped build up our audience for the last part of the campaign. The reveal.
3, 2, 1, ja!
The reveal of the 7 meters long kitchen got great press coverage. Thanks to a build-up of 3 months, the final documentary was received with excitement on Facebook, which resulted in a very high engagement rate. The IKEA Belgian Facebook page became the best performing IKEA Facebook page in the world. The METOD launch reached 2.3 million Belgians. That is 70% of the 25 to 55-year-old people on Facebook, only with the use of IKEA-owned media. The campaign also had its effect in stores. IKEA Belgium sold 14% more kitchens.